Hello बच्चों, the question is the reason of biosphere reserve which is legally protected and where no human activity is allowed is known as. So the idea of biosphere reserve is for allowing the or for enhancing the relationship between the environment and the people. So the biosphere reserves are the protected areas where the organisms, both flora and fauna, they are protected in their natural habitat. So these are the example of in situ conservation. Now these are meant for protecting or conserving the biodiversity. Also there are human activities allowed to a certain extent here. Now the biosphere reserve has three zones. So now the zones of biosphere reserves are, first is the core zone. So this is the region where diversity is maximum. So in this region no human activities are allowed, so no human interference. So this region, which is known as the core zone, it is without no human interference. Now around this there is a zone where a limited or restricted human activities are allowed. So this zone is known as the buffer zone. In this region only the research related and education related activities are allowed. So this region is having the diversity, and here human activities can be there but only up to a very limited extent for research and education purpose. And around this zone there is transition zone. Now this transition zone is also known as the restoration zone, and in this region tribal people can make their shelter. So this is for the tribal people mainly. Here tribal people can live and they can also collect the various goods from the forest. So here this is the this region is for shelter and for collection of forest goods by the tribal people. So this zone is called the transition zone or the restoration zone. So now let's see the region of biosphere reserve which is legally protected and without human activity. So this region is the core zone. So the right answer of this question is option D. I hope it is clear. All the best.